In this hopeless ocean, when you put my fighting, we should you get nothing. Some of every part of the girl. Can we slow down? And I don't wanna miss a thing. Ibigay kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat isang kamating ko wala ko. So what? Pretty, pretty lady. Lahat ng deserve ng pagmamahal sumigaw! As loud as it is, tagay-tay ko! Everybody having fun? Chill lang tayo, man. You know what? Ang daming nagtatanong, nagka-question kung bakit ganito si Tayo nila sumulit ng song. And I'm aware of it. Tayo nila, ba't kapag ganyan kung ano sinasabi mo? I'm aware of it. Pero meron po akong paboritong linya na naisulat ko sa lahat ng naisulat ko. At sabi dun sa linya na yun ay, I see God in your face. Tayo nila, what do you mean I see God in your face? You crazy? Ang ibig sabihin ng I see God in your face is listen. Whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, and whenever you feel appreciated, listen, that's God's presence right there. No, isang tanong, isang sagot. Tagaytay, sino mga marunong magmahal dito? That's right. Kahit sa madaling araw, no, that's the energy. You know what? Nothing and no one is beyond love. Kahit gano'ng katigas, kahit gano'ng kastig, kahit gangster ka, nagmamahal ka rin. Agree? Now listen, lahat ng pinuntahan naming lugar, city, at bansa, inatotong song na to ng sobrang lakas. And have a feeling, just a feeling, and even if 12 midnight na ngayon, kakantay nyo yun na mas malakas sa gawa sa lahat ng ginawa nila. Makakaasa ba ako, Tagaytay? Makakaasa ba ako, Sigan? On my count. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, come on. Body. That's right. Ang himalay sa iyong ibig. That's right. Love is so divine.